In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your files in Dropbox with ease. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to make the most out of their Dropbox account, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through the steps of uploading files to Dropbox, both through the website and using the Dropbox folder on your computer. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to dropbox.com. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but assuming you're already a user, just enter your credentials to access your Dropbox. This step is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to upload or organize any files. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. There you'll see a search bar, and right around it you'll find the upload button. This is one method to start adding files to your Dropbox. Simply click it to proceed with uploading files. After clicking upload, you'll get the option to select files or even entire folders that you want to save in Dropbox. Take a moment to navigate through your device and choose the files you need. Once selected, you can press open and Dropbox will begin uploading them to your account, ensuring they're backed up and accessible wherever you have internet. Now, another convenient method you might prefer is the drag and drop feature. With this, you can simply open the folder or location on your computer where the files are kept, and then click and drag these directly into the Dropbox window on your browser. This is a fast and intuitive way to upload without even needing to use the upload button. For those of you who have the Dropbox application installed on your computer, uploading can be even more straightforward. Locate the Dropbox folder on your computer's file system. This folder acts as a local mirror of your online Dropbox account, meaning anything you drop here will automatically sync to your online storage. To upload using this method, all you need to do is drag and drop files or folders from your computer directly into the Dropbox folder. This syncing feature ensures that your files are not only backed up online, but they can also be available offline, depending on your Dropbox settings. And there you have it, two simple methods to save your stuff in Dropbox, through the website or via the Dropbox folder on your computer. Whether you choose to upload directly from your browser or make use of the desktop folder, Dropbox makes it easy to keep your files organized and accessible from anywhere. Keep practicing and you'll be a Dropbox pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.